everyone, this is your Mad Yogi Eileen, welcoming you back to your yoga class and to a new playlist. So I'm very excited to bring you a new playlist, and I am calling this the seasonal cycles. So as the name implies, we will have summer cycles, autumn cycles, winter cycles, and spring cycles, and we will be doing those classes throughout this year until the playlist is complete. However, even though they are titled as such, the classes are not exclusive to their seasons. Yes, meaning to say, for example, if we've already finished the whole set of the seasonal cycles and you find yourself in winter, but maybe you're finding yourself a little aggro, yeah, a little angry, a little hot-headed, maybe impatient, or maybe your passions are starting to border on obsession. You know, all of those mindsets, emotional states, and bodily states as well that reflect a Pitta dosha, or that fiery combination of fire and water elements. Yes, that is expressed in our mind, our emotions, and our body. You are always welcome to do the summer cycles or the summer flows, which are intended to be cooling, to be releasing, to be more nurturing. Conversely, if we find ourselves back in summer, and I am starting this new playlist in summer down here in Melbourne, Australia. So if you find yourself back in summer and you're feeling a little lethargic, yeah, a little lazy, a little, I'm too lazy, I'll just be a couch potato. Or if you're finding your mindset and your emotional state a little heavy as well, you're welcome to do winter cycles or winter flows, because those are intended to address the Kapha dosha, the dosha of earth and slow moving water that again expresses that kind of heaviness. Yes, you can use the winter flows, which are heating, which are intended to really move you, to give you a bit of sweat even in summer. The caveat there is, of course, hydrate yourself, because if you overly sweat and the temperature is high, you might dehydrate. So always hydrate, always choose safety first. And when we are feeling a little bit in that Vata dosha state, the feeling of a bit of flightiness, a little bit of anxiety, a little bit of self-doubt, you know, or a sensation that you're floating, you're untethered, whether that's in the mind, the emotions, a combination of both, and that reflects in our body, you are welcome to the either autumn, which is a little bit heating but grounding, or the spring, which is a little bit cooling but still grounding, because that's the intention of those flow cycles. Yes, so you can always mix and match as well. They are not exclusive to their seasons, they're not exclusive to their cycles. You can always do whichever you want to do, whichever feels good at the moment. And what else? Oh, I am also going to be wearing my earphones. I am going to be listening to my music during these classes, and I will always put a link in the descriptions of each class to the Spotify playlist that I'm using. If you don't have, or you don't do Spotify, see whichever music streaming service you can get the music from, or you're also always welcome to just use your own music as well. As far as the playlists go, there won't be crazy music, yeah. There won't be crazy music. There will more or less always be lo-fi music from different sources. I'm not going to broadcast the music themselves because I don't want to get pinged by YouTube. That's why I'm just listening through my headphones, and you're welcome to blare out your music if you want to, if it's not disturbing anybody, or if you really want to immerse yourself in the flow. But of course, only enough they can still hear my instructions. Yes? Anyway, enjoy the new playlist. It will be ongoing throughout the year until we've completed our seasonal cycles. And I will see you in class. Bye!